What's up, YouTubers? Today I'm just going to do a quick demo of this stuff that I love. I just spent a good part of yesterday basically doing post end of season cleanup on my knives, which means clean the blades or clean them up, sharpen them, and then protect them, as well as like micarta and other materials. This is Sasquatch wax. I believe it's designed by It Isn't Dan. Yep, quality wax by It Isn't Dan, only for USA Made Blade. You can get these on usamadeblade.com. It's like $12.95 or something. It's basically some combination of beeswax, mineral oil, I don't know in what proportion, plus other good stuff. But I'm just going to kind of show real quick. This is an example of micarta that was, I won't say nasty, but just dry and not in such a good way. This was my knife of the year, the Phobos Tier 1 BC. And look at what it does to that nice green micarta. I definitely love putting this on micarta. This is the South Pole the TRC South Pole. Again, a very kind of dry, but this one is nice and textured. So I have no problem kind of oiling it up, protecting that. And again, it protects the blade really nicely, puts a nice sheen on it, beautifies it. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish with this. I heavily endorse this. I've used it a fair bit. You can kind of, I don't know if you can see in there. It's tough to see. But yeah, love this stuff. This is Sasquatch wax. I've used Wicked wax before, which is a little bit thicker. So I think it probably has a higher proportion of beeswax, which is then something I wouldn't mind, touching leather and so forth. But in terms of like micarta and blade steel, yeah, this is really good. I'm going to go into music mode and essentially do, this is the White River Knives Firecraft, but look at this nasty green. In fact, yeah, I'll pause this here because I want to get a picture of this before. But I won't say this nasty green, but it almost looks like natural micarta. But wait till you see what it's going to look like after. So this is before, and I'll snap a photo. Let me stop it here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and treat this micarta at this point in time, and I'll also go ahead and do the blade. Just kind of not going to be using this for a little while. Camping season is well over by now. The two things that I utilize, just to add in there, is I utilize a Q-tip to kind of get into those tight areas, right there. Do this on the kitchen knives too that have micarta. Just makes it a little bit easier getting in those kind of squeeze-in areas. And then also I use this kind of towel just to kind of wipe it off. You see that it basically removes a little bit of the dirt. So let's go ahead into it. Okay, you can see this looks so much better. Just kind of conditions it, prevents it from, I mean, the good thing is with micarta, especially a rough micarta like this, is it already has good grip and even a little bit moist. Doesn't lose any grip. Sometimes it actually gains it. So yeah, this will soak in over the next few months, kind of keep it conditioned and looking better and just in a better shape, as well as that blade. Even though it's S35 VN, it doesn't mean it can't stain. So yeah, that's all on Sasquatch wax. What's up today? What's up today?